Welcome students, this is Varsha CBSE Maths 10th Standard, exercise 5.3. This is from arithmetic progression, question number 4. So this is the third exercise students. So read the question. How many terms of the AP? The AP is 9, 17, 25 etc. There is no last number, okay. So must be taken to give a sum of 636. Okay, this is your sum. So the sum is given. How many terms? So we are going to find the value of n. So take your AP. So AP is 9, 17, 25 etc. So this is your AP. Okay. So and what is given? Given is Sn. Sn is equal to 636. Okay, sum is given. Okay, what is given? So what is going to find? We are going to find the value of n. Okay, let's find the first value, that is 9. So what is your second value? Common difference, that is a2 minus a1. So what's your a2? That is 17 minus 9, that is 8. So this is your common difference. Okay students, so now let's go to the Sn formula. What's your Sn formula? You have two formulas, but one formula is consist of last number, but here there is no last term. Okay, so no last term is given, so you have to use that formula. What is that? N by 2, it is a to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so this is a formula, this is the answer. So write down 636 equal to, we don't know n, so n by 2, 2 into a, what's for a? That's 9. Okay, plus n minus 1. So what's your d? That is 8. Okay students, so this is n by 2, multiplying get 18. So here this is 8 into n, 8 into 1. So 8 tens are 8 10. Okay, and 1 9s are 8, that is minus. So this is n by 2. This is plus 18, this is minus 8. So you can subtract here. So if you subtract, you will get 10 plus 10. Okay students, so now let's take out of the common number 2. So okay, if you take 2, you will get 4 plus 5 by 2. Here it is 36. So you can cancel here itself. Okay, so what's remaining? N only. So if you multiply, you will get 4n square plus 5n. This is 636. Okay, so 636 go here. You will get 4n square plus 5n. 686 goes there. So how will you go? It is going beyond the equal sign. So it is changing the sign. That is 636 equal to 0. Finally, you got a quadratic equation. Okay, so here you can use the formula method to find the value of n, or factorization method. Okay, so here you have include the sign. Okay, so 4 into 636 you have to multiply, but here there is no multiplication is needed students. See how we are doing. 636 into 4. Okay, here minus values is there. So when you have to choose the right pair, and if you subtract, you have to get 5. Okay, so that's the question. So I am going to prime factorization. Okay, 636. So if you split the 636, you get, see, when you have a 2, 3 2s are 1 time, this is 8. Again 2, 1 2s are 1, 5 times, this is 1, 9. Again 3 table is okay. So 5 3s are, and 3 3s are 9. So 53 is a prime number. Okay students, so we have no other option, you cannot do etc. So you can write here 53, 2, 2, 3, already 4 is there. Okay, so you have to take a pair from here to get, so when you subtract you have to get minus sign. So what is that part? This is 58 3. If you multiply this, what you get? 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48. Yes, 48 minus 53 is 5. So we can take a pair, right pair. Okay. So see students, if you subtract you will get 5. Okay. So this is your 5. Middle term, you get the middle term. Okay. So but the coefficient is 4. So you have to take the right pair and you have to divide by 4. Okay. So what's your sign? Is it the right sign? You get a plus. But here it's a minus, this one is plus. See, if you multiply you will get minus number of this number, and if you add you will get plus 5. Okay, so divided by 4, so you cannot cancel here, so this is 4n plus 53. How you write 4n plus 53? Here you can cancel, so this is 1 time, this is 1 time into 2 time minus, so this is here 1n minus 12 equal to 0. So this is 4 is equal to minus 53 by 4 and n is equal to 12. So n is how many number of terms, so it cannot be fraction, this is wrong. So this can be only right. So n is equal to 12. So how many numbers to take to get 636? You have to take 12 terms to get 636. This is your right answer. Okay students, do you understand? I hope you all understand. This is very easy sum, slightly you have to do some work. Okay, thank you.